Hi everyone, welcome to our session on why you should work in FinTech, I should say. My name is Alex Wood, I'm the editor of the Memo, and we are at the fabulous offices of DueDil. We have got an amazing turnout tonight. Thank you so much for everyone coming here, and thank you to DueDil for hosting us as well. We've got some wonderful panelists here. We have Damian Kimmelman from DueDil. We have Anil from MarketInvoice, and we have Hiroki Takeuchi from GoCardless. They're all founders as well, and I'm told they're going to be really honest and really upfront about all the good and the bad. Just a quick couple of mentions about the Memo, if you don't know us. So I'm a technology journalist. I've been working for the last 9 years covering tech, and this is actually my own startup, so it's a really big move for me. And it's kind of funny being here just a couple of meters away from my former employer a few years back at Bloomberg TV. And it's really nice also to be with GoCardless, because actually GoCardless is one of the reasons why I ended up in tech journalism. So just a funny story to share with you. Back in, 2012, I was a bright-eyed and bushy-tailed TV producer, and I was finally let out the front door to go and do my first TV package. I was so excited, and I was the nerdy kid in the newsroom. I loved tech, and I went over to the offices of GoCardless and got to do my first ever TV package. And went and did the interview, got the cameraman there, brought it back. What does the news editor do? He takes one look at the footage and says, "There's no way in hell I'm going to publish that." And I was completely destroyed. And the reason why he didn't want it on air was because the guy from GoCardless, who isn't with us today, was wearing a t-shirt. And that tells you a lot about how much things have changed, because I was jumping up and down in those days saying, oh my god, you know, we are Bloomberg over there, and we are literally on the doorstep of something so hugely exciting. We should be covering this. And it still makes me laugh to this day. The news editor's reaction to the whole thing was, sod it, just put it on the website, because no one looks at that. And little did he know that it got more views than an average TV show on Bloomberg. So it showed you the kind of appetite there was for FinTech. Fast forward a few more years, and just recently we covered on the Memo that the total at the moment is $5.5 billion of investment in FinTech in this country. It is absolutely incredible, and there is so much excitement about it. And at the Memo, we always say that every time we cover FinTech, it just blows us away, the absolute interest there. But enough about me. I think I'd like to turn to our panelists now. I'm going to start with Damian. Just give us a quick 1-minute intro.
1 minute, Chris. Hi, hello. Hi, my name is Damian Kimmelman. I'm the co-founder and CEO of DueDil. We work in this lovely We've raised about $30 million. Sorry, Norval. He's our PR guy. He's having a fit. We're expanding at about 2 people a week, 2 to 3 people a week. So going through some quite substantial change in terms of culture, in terms of identity, and that's both a great thing and also a really difficult thing. And I think I speak for all 3 of us that all 3 of us have scale-up companies, and this period, and we all started at roughly around the same time, and this period is probably the most challenging for us as a business.
Cool. Well, my name's Anil. I'm one of the founders at MarketInvoice. It's great to see so many people here. How many people have ever heard of us before, MarketInvoice? Okay. Well, that's better than I thought. So
negligible, yeah.
Yeah. So what we do, we're an online platform. We help small businesses raise cash flow, finance, working capital. The easiest way to understand us is if I give you a quick example. we help a business, they're based up in Derby, they build headphones, they sell them to big retailers here in the UK and abroad in places like Japan. They've signed up new contracts. Typically they have to wait 90 days or even up to 120 days to get paid. In the meantime, they need to pay their suppliers, cover their overheads, invest in marketing, and what we let them do is sign up online really easily. We give them an underwriting decision really fast, like within 24 hours, and then they can download cash borrowing against their invoices, so future revenue. So we've done 560 million through the platform. Last month was our biggest ever month. We did 36 million in 1 month, which was a record. We've helped over 1,000 businesses. They're using us kind of repeatedly every month or so. They're using us, and we're a team of about 80 people in Holborn, going through a similar stage of growing and trying to scale it and get more visibility for what we're doing. We're also hiring a lot.
Cool. Yeah, so I'm Hiroki. I run a company called GoCardless. What we do is pretty simple. We help businesses to collect recurring payments. And we help about 13,000 businesses in the UK collect close to £1 billion a year. And so we work with businesses all the way from really tiny, non-profit organisations like Boy Scout groups, all the way through up to media companies like The Guardian, some other FinTech companies like Funding Circle, and a bunch of others in between. So I think the thing that's really nice is sitting here with Damian and Anil, we all started around the same time, and like Damian said, it right now feels like it's the most challenging time, but I think it always feels that way, and we've kind of gone through a similar stage of growth together, so have shared a lot of experiences and a lot of challenges together, and we'd love to share those with you guys now.